I would say usually when people talk about chips, it's just the CPUs and GPUs that has been the overall, the game, because the computers and then all these crypto mining or data center is all GPUs, right? Whereas this topic is about physical AI. It's more towards getting robotics, autonomous cars, and in that side of the house. The chip is going to move close to the edge. Right now we're talking about cloud, right? When you have so many actions going on, when your autonomous cars are like doing a live real-time sensors, all the different, look at Waymo or Robotaxi, so many sensors around. They don't have time to go back and send the signal to the satellite and come back. They want at the edge, they want at the real time. So the way I think is future, which is physical AI, it's shifting. It's shifting in a sense that the chips that were produced so far, CPUs and GPUs, they are not, they will not be enough. You need to go beyond that, think into the direction where your use cases are. Drones, all these, or in case of, we're talking about just drones or cars, but in general, use specific cases. Like, how do you make sure that the chips that you have is the one that is needed for that? Case in point is, let's say you have a house. You don't need all those, fridge and rest of the thing here, right? Same thing goes, the chip design is a layout. If you do not require a particular set of instructions, why do you need that, right? The other thing is memory. The bottleneck these days is memory. You spend more money going from chip, which is the CPU, GPU, to memory, right? There's a latency, there's a gap, all those things. That's why all these photonic type of technology is coming to basically bridge that gap, the speed, right? So neuromorphic chips, vision-based chips, robotic processing chips, those kind of more attributed structures will be coming. I do not want to say any specific about what the company or the trend, but I'm just saying, given how we are moving toward the physical AI, and physical AI meaning a real thing at the edge, you have to have a solution based on that.